Alright, today we're going to open up this product by TCSunBow. That is the seller, I believe. No, the seller is SunBow Technology Co Ltd. And this here is a SSD. It's an M.2 SSD. And it's actually a 2242. It's 240 gigabytes is what, according to the description, it is. Whenever you look at the title, it says it's 32 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, 120 gigabytes, 240 gigabytes. But whenever you open up the package, you can see it does say 240. Some of the description says 240. And on the actual product itself, which you probably can't see, so let me focus it. There we go. It says 240 there as well. So anyways, fun stuff. So this is my first time actually trying to install a M.2 hard drive, and so what I'm going to do is go ahead and get out a trusty little HP, what is this, a 450 G2, which I know has an open M.2 slot, and this one you have to have one fit by 2242. You can't get one to fit any other size. Another key thing is whenever you're looking at these, there's a certain way, there's like a, what is it, like an A and B adapter or something, or no, B and M, something like that. And so depending on where these slots are and how many pins you have on each side, that determines which one it is. And the most versatile is one like this that has both slots and then both pin sets. So inside here, this of course is my hard drive. I pulled this off. Before I go any further, I should probably go ahead and pop out the battery, because we all know that that's dumb to work on a computer whenever you haven't taken out the battery and you've got live power going to it. Once we've popped off that bottom, we'll pull this out, and so now we have access to our M.2 slot. Again, this is my first time ever installing one of these, so forgive me if I look a little dumb whenever I'm putting it in, but I believe it's going to go in just like this. Yep. And I think there's no slot to pull it down or anything, so I think once I put it in, I just jam it in here, and I put my screw in. Let me see for sure. You want to insert it at an angle, so that way it slides in good, and then you can push it down and screw it in. So my screw for this actually came in the package, so that's good, helpful. Now I am very concerned about this because there are no reviews for it, and for a 240 gigabyte SSD, it's $67.99. So this is the cheapest thing out there. I mean, you can't even find 120 gigabyte SSDs for this price in most places. And so let's see, when we put this down, yeah, you know what? This screw doesn't even fit. That's hilarious. So I'm going to have to go ahead and get another screw. I don't have one readily available right now. So you know what? Let me just go ahead and pop this one off because it's the most easy. Yeah, it's the most easy one to pop off, and I'm really not too concerned about this hard drive coming out since I've got 3 others in right now. And we'll go ahead and we'll pull this up, pull it out, and make sure I can get my see if this one's magnetic. Nope. See if this one's magnetic. Very slightly. Looks like it's worn out. I have one of those remagnetizer tools, but honestly just not quite sure where it is at the moment. So let's use between this and this, we'll turn it into some kind of little pry device, so that way we can get this one. Dang it. so we can get this out. Alright, that one's out. Let's try this installation again. Much better, nice fit. And there we go. Alright, this video's already gotten long enough, so if you guys want to see the actual boot up and trial of this hard drive and whether or not it works, tune into the next video, which will probably autoplay directly after this one if you guys are lucky. And if you really don't care to see that at all, you don't have to watch it. Alright, thanks, and we'll see you guys next time.